The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. There have been many reports about strange activity taking place in downtown Jacksonville. It is unknown exactly what's going on, but authorities are looking into it. All residents in Jacksonville are advised to remain indoors at this time. If you need to go outdoors, do so with extreme caution and do not approach the downtown area. Continue to follow local media outlets for more information on this unusual situation. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. There is an update to the current situation that has been taking place in the downtown area. After an hour of observing the area, reports have been made about a portal opening in the exact same place that the strange activity was taking place. It is unknown where the portal came from, but authorities are now looking into it. All residents in Jacksonville are now strongly advised to remain indoors with all windows and doors locked. If you reside near the downtown area, consider taking shelter or evacuating further away from the area. Continue to follow local media outlets for more information.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are having a good day so far. Currently, there is a bit of a situation happening in downtown Jacksonville. It started off with some strange activity taking place, followed by a portal appearing in that same area. We do not know why this is happening or what is causing this. However, all residents do need to stay put in their homes in case it turns into a dangerous situation. Hold on. There seems to be an EAS transmission coming through. Please stand by.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. The Jacksonville Police has reported a group of anthropomorphic animals emerging from the portal. These animals include an adult pony, an adult mole, an adult giraffe, a child pig, and 3 zebras, 1 adult and 2 children. They declared peace with the human race, and are therefore not hostile. It is currently unknown what their identities are, but we do know that they are known as the Safe Place Group, and that they are characters from a popular Roblox horror game, Piggy. All residents are advised to remain indoors, even if the animals are not hostile. It's best to stay inside for your safety. Continue to follow local media outlets for more information.
Well, this is strange. Why would a bunch of animated, anthropomorphic animals be here in the first place?
I'm not sure, Charlie, but hey, at least they're friendly. It shouldn't be too much of a hassle to get information from them.
I guess you're right, Mike. Well, Looks like it's about time to do the interview. You ready?
Ready when you're, partner. Hey there you guys, we just need to ask you some questions so we can get more information. Is that alright with you? Alright, let's get this started. Okay, first off, what made you want to go through the portal? Or did you come here by accident?
Interesting. How did you find that portal in the first place? Very interesting indeed. Do you know if anyone else was sucked in?
Okay, good to know. Thank you for your time here. We appreciate your cooperation. Hold on, I'm getting a message from the other officers.
Mike, we have a problem. More animals have come through the portal. And the bad thing is, they aren't friendly. Well, at least most of them aren't.
Do you know who they are?
Somewhat, they didn't say what each of their names are, but they did say that they're a group called the Silver Paw, or TSP for short.
Okay, thanks for the info, we'll be there shortly.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Jacksonville Police Department. Multiple 911 calls have came in about more animals coming through the portal and causing havoc around the city. These animals are dressed in gray uniforms and are known as the Silver Paw, or TSP. It is unknown what their motivations to do this are, but all residents are strongly advised to lock all doors and windows and to not go outside for any reason. If you encounter a member of the TSP, please report it to the police department or call 911 if it's an emergency. Continue to monitor your local media outlets for more information on this situation.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This station has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information to the public in assigned areas. This is some random station. We will continue to serve the Jacksonville area. If you are not in this local area, you should tune into stations providing news and information for your local area. You are listening to the emergency alert system, serving the Jacksonville area. Do not use your telephone. The telephone line should be kept open for emergency use. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Just a while ago, we have received reports of more and more animals of various species coming out of the portal. These animals are confirmed to be very hostile, as they were seen causing significant damage to the city and other cities as well. According to the Safe Place Group and the Silver Paw, these animals are the infected animals that exist in their world. They have somehow managed to come into the real world and are now causing havoc in our world. Luckily, the infection that they are carrying does not affect the human race. However, the uninfected animals are at great risk of infection, and because of that, they were all taken to an undisclosed location. These animals are spreading rapidly throughout the state and other states as more and more are coming through the portal, and are expected to invade the entire country within the next 3 hours. All residents listening to this are strongly advised to take extreme measures in order to ensure your safety. Although these animals can't infect us, they can kill us. Barricade any entrances to your house and potentially your shelter to ensure you are as protected as possible. Stay tuned to your local media outlets for more information on this extremely dangerous situation.
Attention everyone, this is David from the EAS headquarters speaking. I'd like to inform you all that all of the infected have been contained. I am currently walking down the city of Miami and it is absolute hell over here. Lots of building and cars and other stuff have been damaged, and there's specks of blood on the streets from the infected attacking people. You guys are probably wondering if the Safe Place group are okay. I am happy to say that they're all okay. The Silver Paw is okay as well. Despite them causing some havoc in the beginning, they did turn around and help us with containing the infected. All the uninfected animals are still in a safe spot, but they will be sent back to their world in a few days. Thank you all so much for your cooperation during this difficult time. There will be an EAS airing once we sort everything out. This is David, signing off. Good night.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. All clear. I repeat, all clear. The situation regarding the infected animals is now over. Authorities have managed to contain all of the infected animals. It is unknown what exactly happened to them, but what matters is that it's all over. An investigation has been released on what could have caused all of this to happen. Information regarding that will be posted online. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume regularly.